scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Resonance structures can be tricky, but we will solve this bicarbonate ion problem in seconds. Let's compare these carbon to oxygen bond lengths right now. Look at the structures where resonance occurs between bonds Y and Z. The double bond character is shared between these two positions, making them identical partial double bonds in the hybrid. Notice that bond X is attached to a hydrogen atom and remains a single bond in both structures. Single bonds are always longer than double or partial double resonance bonds. Bond length decreases as bond order increases. Partial double bonds Y and Z are equal and shorter than single bond X, thus B is correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and trust the given structures to find the correct bond orders.